Students who participate in the Robot Gladiator League get two things I think that are unique. One, they get pen to paper skills that are directly applied to something tangible that they create. And by create, what I mean is they then get hand to tool skills and they bring to fruition totally from scratch something that they designed. That's rare in a high school setting. That's rare to find in a high school classroom or any other kind of high school program that I've seen.
It's just letting your imagination loose. Like, you can actually explore different options as to where, homework in school, you're gonna learn something in the classroom, you gotta go home and do it. But, RGL, you can feel entertained by it, meet new people, learn a lot of things.
When you talk about all the different things that are involved and just using the screwdrivers and the hand tools and the power tools and the grinders and the welders, all these different disciplines that are required to make these robots work. Those skills will follow them into the future, and not only that, but for future work ethic on those soft skills, getting them to work together as a team, and the way that they take it seriously, they really take ownership of it.
I love weapon designing, but my favorite part is actually going and competing and kind of being in that crowd, being able to see my family and just testing how far my bots could go. And if they break, I'll just find a new way to fix them. That's the fun part about it. Everything is a test drive on that field.
Working with the students has been the best part of this for me, because them coming in and just learning something totally foreign to them and in a short matter of time feeling confident to use that equipment and know how to apply it. So when the light goes off and they get it, that's the moment I look for, that I really enjoy.
RGL, I will say, even just in 1 year being a member, it's been life-changing. I think that anybody that can join should join, and it's really been an outstanding program this year, and I kind of wish that I had a couple more years, but just in the 1 year that I've been in it, it's been wonderful, and I can't wait to see where it goes in the future.